everyone! Looking for quick and healthy snacks to fuel your day? You're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you 5 easy snacks you can make in under 5 minutes. Let's get started. First up, we have apple slices with almond butter. Simply slice up an apple and spread some almond butter on each slice. Sprinkle a little cinnamon on top for extra flavor. It's delicious and packed with protein and fiber. Next, we have Greek yogurt with berries. Take a cup of Greek yogurt. Add a handful of fresh berries and a drizzle of honey. This snack is rich in probiotics and antioxidants. For something savory, try avocado toast. Mash half an avocado, spread it on whole grain toast, and sprinkle with salt, pepper, and chili flakes if you like a bit of spice. Avocado is loaded with healthy fats and fiber. Craving something crunchy? Make some veggie sticks with hummus. Slice up some carrots, cucumbers, and bell peppers, and serve with your favorite hummus. This is a great way to get your veggies in. Lastly, we have a nut and fruit mix. Combine a handful of nuts like almonds and walnuts with dried fruits like raisins and cranberries. This is a perfect on-the-go snack that's full of healthy fats and natural sugars. And there you have it, 5 quick and healthy snacks you can make in no time. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy tips and recipes. See you next time.